Welcome to CartersEat. Is it recording?
Yeah.
The numbers are moving?
Yeah.
Can you tell?
Yeah, I can tell.
You can tell?
Yeah.
On the prize, money super size, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
All right. Welcome to CartersEat. Today, it's right here at the bottom. TikTok. These things, jellies.
Jelly
Kids
fresh.
are so excited that I don't even know if we're going to get through it. But before we can just do it, there's a challenge component to it. That everybody with kids is challenged to do it. All my YouTube friends do. The jelly pops in their mouth. The first round one, I have to play Roblox with them tonight. Then there's a round two, and a round three. And round two, if the jelly does not pop in their mouth,
I have to eat one olive, and Blake has to eat one carrot.
There you go. And then round three,
me and Blake get to play Fortnite.
If the jelly
goes in our mouth.
There you go.
Well, what is this all for?
That's my notes.
This for the thing?
Yes, ma'am. Okay,
Step one. If it gets in your mouth,
we have
then
to
you
do
eat step two. If it gets in your mouth, step one.
There you go, Blake. Thank you. So, sorry, I didn't introduce them. This is
Blake.
And this is
AJ.
And my name is
Mommy.
Okay, that's my name. And welcome to
I'm gonna call Mommy. I'm gonna call Mommy Roblox.
Do you want to get on your knees and do it, B?
No, Mommy Roblox.
So they can see you? Mommy Roblox?
So, for the first round, I'm gonna choose. Oh, okay. No, let's do the green. Let's do the green.
Let's go, Mommy, get your green. Oh,
I'm not.
On three. 1, 2, 3.
You're not scared? You're not scared?
Oh!
It went ha-ha! It went ha-ha!
I didn't get any.
Round one, AJ.
It's so good.
Blake's went in her mouth.
Ah!
Show them, B. AJ.
Wait, I have to eat it all?
Are you going to finish your jelly? No?
That was not really that good. All off.
Ooh. Ooh. You don't like that. Oh, it's coming out.
How come Blake's getting home? I'm done.
You're done already?
No, I'm sorry. I'm still doing it. I'm just saying.
Hoorah, hoorah, hoorah. Ooh, bench breaking.
I can't. Oh.
You have to stay with the green screen or we have problems. Okay? So, Blake's over there putting it work. He's over there putting it down. Okay. Blake's not done. Are you not going to eat it?
I can't eat all of them.
Oh, you don't like the olive? You're not going to... Don't you spit that out. We have lots of challenge videos, cooking videos, eat with me. So subscribe. Thank you for coming.
Did he just spit it out?
What's that on my leg? The olive?
However.
Blake's putting it work. Please don't work it. AJ, you're supposed to eat it. You don't want to eat it?
Not really.
Let's see. Oh, you can suck it too?
Jello.
Taste it.
No, thank you. No, thank you. I don't want to ruin my palate.
Okay, next one.
Okay. Let's enjoy it. We'll put it to the side, B. We're going to round two. How they say it? We just watched Beast Mo's wife do it, and AJ thought it was quite funny. So, what did the boys say? Are we ready? All right, he's ready for the orange one, B. Round 2, orange. Round 2, if the jelly goes out of the mouth, then mommy has to play.
If jelly goes in the mouth,
Mommy has to play Roblox.
Wait,
Blake. She's so excited.
2. I'm covering all the sides. So
No, they need to see. They need to see.
Fine. 3, 2, 1. I want it.
Oh, both of them got it.
Let's go.
Look at Blake. Look at Blake. She's not done yet, Blake.
I know.
You know Blake likes to eat her sweets.
I
It's like a little bit more of it. Show him Blake again.
I don't want to keep looking at that.
Really? Oh, give it to me, AJ. Don't mess up my nice little piece of material here. Some olives that have been spit out. Okie dokie. Thank you, Blake. Thank you, Blake. You're so neat.
Red. No, orange. Yellow.
Yellow.
3, 2, 1.
She's not ready. You know, Blake. You're cheating. What's round 3? If the jelly goes in your mouth, you get.
Fortnite, and I just got it in my mouth. Like, did it get in your mouth?
Yes.
Okay, now we just have to eat. Now we just have to eat this and.
You gotta eat the whole thing.
No,
they're killing me wiping it on the material.
You don't have to eat the whole thing. Just eat what you can.
Is it good?
The yellow was okay. The orange was fine.
Okay, bonus round. Bonus round. Lean in.
2 bonus rounds.
Say hello.
Hi,
Blake, say hello.
Hi, dog.
Up there. Tell them your age, please.
I am 8 and she is 5. 8 plus 5.
I need to.
don't know.
8 was 8 plus 5.
I'm not gonna say.
Blake,
8 plus
how
5
old?
is
I didn't tell you to
13.
say Blake.
I
5 is 13.
am 5.
8 plus 5 is 13.
Very good. Okay, ready?
I just want to eat the black.
Okay, she wants to eat the black.
No,
No, you chosen every one, so let Blake choose. Blake, I'm gonna let Blake say, "Are we ready?"
Okay.
Blake, are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
3,
done.
2, 1. I can't bite it.
We've been trying to do this for 3 days, and every time after dinner we'd say, "Tomorrow night, tomorrow night, tomorrow night, tomorrow night." So, there's a lot of fighting this.
Oh, God.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
I touch it. I touch it. I touch it.
Look, AJ, look. Look at it. She said, look, AJ, look. Really? You said
No.
Oh my God.
No, do it again.
You would touch it?
Mommy. Mommy.
That's for this morning. That's for the hard time they gave me this morning. Now
God.
they can pay for it.
Could you get us some towels, please?
So did y'all didn't like it? Like, finish it. Go ahead and finish it.
Me, Mom.
That was not nice of mommy.
Neither one of
My
you.
What were you
Open it up.
Look.
Oh. Oh. No, you didn't.
I'll be right back. I
All
got
right, we're going to get it. This is just what? It's good. You can't leave production. You stay in the video.
Oh my God.
Okay, I think that's it. It's like jelly. Isn't that your favorite YouTuber? Jelly. I'm sorry, Buttercup. Mama love you.
Oh, bro, I got my nose.
I had to have a little fun.
Yeah.
What happens now? Blake has to eat no. You guys get to play Fortnite.
Yeah.
Okay, so nobody wants a bonus round, or y'all want to eat the red?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey, mommy, look. If the red, can we do it? The red gets... No, because you're just gonna say it now.
We never know.
If the red gets it, if the red only gets in Blake, can she get like 1,000 V-Bucks?
No. Oh, okay, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's a good one. But I don't know how to do it because it's on red.
Mommy, I'm just playing with
If the red,
Wait, listen. It doesn't matter.
No.
You just press it.
if the red go, oh, now you know, huh? You've been pressing it. If
No,
the red goes in their mouth,
I know because Daddy made me.
then Blake gets
V-Bucks
V-Bucks on Fortnite.
Yes, I know where you're
Yeah.
Blake's playing with the slime. Thank you, Jesus.
Okay, Blake.
No, she's having her zone. She's having fun.
For Blake.
Yuck.
I smashed you with it. Can you believe that?
Get your red one, and if it gets, try to make it get in your mouth so you can get V-Bucks. Like this.
Oh, ooh, I just got it on your shirt. Sorry.
Got
Go, Blake. You cheating. Ugh. Really?
No, go.
Oh, Blake did it. It's on me. AJ, really?
Yeah.
That's gross.
But keep trying.
Keep trying, Blake.
Wait, you haven't been into it really yet.
Blake, get right into it.
No, I'm playing with slime.
Blake, if it goes in your mouth, bleed.
You get V-Bucks. So you can get a cool skin.
Okay.
She could care less. Okay.
No!
The jelly on the slime.
But try it one more time. Just grab the red, put it in your mouth,
I don't know if
pop
this is
it.
gonna work, AJ, with the green screen because you're like not in the clip.
What?
What?
That was my saying.
Oh, do it.
What? Really?
Okay.
Blake,
Well,
put
Blake,
the red one
can
in
you
your
put the
mouth.
red one in your mouth? You want to wipe your hand? Ugh.
Ew.
She still gets V-Bucks because she actually did good. She ate all of them.
Get the red boogie.
But
Ready?
do you want V-Bucks?
I can't believe I'm looking at your spit on the.
Did you get it?
I don't know. It's.
It got in, but every.
Look at her. She likes playing with the slime.
Okay, she still gets V-Bucks. Hi.
Really, Blake? Well, there you have it. The 5-year-old enjoys the slime. AJ, anything you want to say? A what?
That's our piece of dust.
Thank you for coming.
2. You want to say it?
You say it.
CartersEat. Oh, now you want to say it? Jeez.
She's been waiting to do this all day.
Okay.
She's still playing with the slime.
She's still getting V-Bucks.
In the green. In the green.
Yeah, bye.
Blake,
Bye-bye.
we'll see you guys in the next video.
And I want this.
I got it.
Yeah, I got
I know how to cut from right here.
Okay.
I just love playing
Well,
with slime.
it's been dropped.
Die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne murder.
Driving all crazy. I won't be feeding you at 4 o'clock, okay? And I won't be feeding you at 3:30.
We just ate those.